Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this cordless impact wrench. This comes with a nice little carry case here. And inside right on top we have the instructions. Okay. We have a battery charger. It's got a decent sized length cord there. And there is the impact driver. That's pretty cool. It's got a nice rubber handle, power indicator here on the front, adjustable speed trigger, and the reverse and forward are right here conveniently located. So you can forward and reverse right there, those buttons. Okay, it comes with 4 of these sockets also. Pretty heavy duty there. Be like good for lug nuts and stuff. And if you have an adapter, these will go. You could put this on there for other things. So the end here features this. It has a hole in it. So these actually have. This rubber ring is holding a little bar through there. Okay, and here's the battery. It's got a little battery life indicator right there. So they sent it to us full. That's cool. Just slide this in here. So it is adjustable speed. It's got a nice little LED light on there so you can see where you're working on. That's kind of nice. It's pretty small, compact. That's good so you get in tighter areas. And so I'm just going to show you guys. So it has that little bar in there. You just slide this up a little bit. You can put this on there. Just like that. Then you slide the bar through the holes. And this is just going to ensure that that's not going to come off of there. Just like that. That ain't going anywhere. I don't know if it's really necessary to have that in there, but if you really wanted to make sure, like if you're working down somewhere in the motor and you're trying to pull that out, you want to make sure it doesn't come out of there. But let me see how good it would be without that in there. I'm just going to pull that little bar out real quick. And see. Yeah, it's still pretty good on there. But if you wanted to make sure, so that has like pretty decent power there, and it slips like that, so it's like an impact driver. It helps like kind of hammer things in. These are really good for like I don't know, like fences and difficult things that are harder to unscrew, I guess. They kind of like pound on it like instead of just trying to screw. So let's see here. Has a battery indicator here also on the drill, and little thing, I think how much torque it's using there. So that's pretty sweet. Anyways, let's go try it out on a few things and see how good it works. All right.
I'm filling it up.
Okay, whether you're tightening up your bolts on your exercise equipment, so righty is tighty. Right here. Yeah, that's going on there nice and solid. Oh, you're just unscrewing other ones. This works. Got it in the tight areas. And obviously, these screws are pretty burly, but the impact driver can just unscrew them. And you got a ton of different things you can do with it. And with just a couple adapters on here, you can just use it to unscrew just normal screws as well. Easy peasy. Or to screw them back in. And what's nice about this, the impact driver, it doesn't like really slip. So if you're screwing in like these, even so it'd be difficult because it like hammers that it won't pop out when you're like screwing it in. So it's super useful. If you're just using a drill or a normal one, you have to push really hard to keep that from slipping out if it's difficult to screw it in there, just like this one. But because it's hammering while it's doing that, it makes it a lot easier. I like the little light on there. It's super compact. The battery is easy to put on and off. Just slides right off like that. No problem, and then slides right back on. We'll check out the charger real quick. So the battery just slides right on here, just like that. It's red when it's charging. When it's green, it's 100%. So that's nice. I like the grip on here. It's just small and compact. It doesn't weigh a whole lot, but it's super convenient. It has a lot of power, seems like, for anything I was trying to use it for, whether you want to build a fence or take the lug nuts off your car. This seems like it would be able to do it just fine. It's got a 21 volt battery also, so 2.0 mega amp hours, which is nice. Should have plenty of running time and just a lot of nice features on here. But all in all, seems like a nice little device. It's brushless as well, so it should last a lot longer. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.